If I were still side hustling in my nutrition coaching business while working my 9 to 5 job, this is exactly how I would structure my day. Hey, I know that you want to be a full time nutrition coach. And right now, you're wondering how to make that happen while you're still working full time for someone else. Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to explain exactly how to structure your day so that you can market your business and serve your clients in 12 hours or less per week so that you can be full time in your business within a year. By knowing exactly what to do every day in your business, gaining the confidence to successfully execute sales activities, and the unlimited support and accountability from our team to actually stick to your schedule. In a year or less, you could be full time in your nutrition coaching business. Drop Academy below and we'll reach out. We'll ask you a few questions to see what exactly you need to start doing today to be a full time nutrition business owner within a year and how we can help. For those who don't know me, my name is Kate Jaramillo. I'm the co-owner of Beyond Macros, where we have helped hundreds of side hustling health coaches just like you go full-time in their businesses with our VIP mentorship programs. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to describe exactly how to structure your day so you can go from side hustling health coach to having your nutrition coaching business be your full-time gig. Now, what I'm explaining is assuming that you have a Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. job. So this schedule is a Monday through Friday schedule. So I'd wake up at 5:30 a.m. I'd start my morning routine by about 5:45 a.m. And this looks different for everyone, but your morning routine is something that gives you energy, motivation, just makes you feel super positive. And for me, this is exercise. So I just walk downstairs and I work out for 30 to 45 minutes, whatever my trainer has programmed for me for the day. By 7 a.m., I'm showered, I'm dressed, I'm eating breakfast. And while eating breakfast, I post content to my social media channels, which takes me 5 minutes because I've already planned or created it, which I'll talk about in a few moments. I spend another 5 minutes socially supporting other people on my platform, liking, commenting, things like that. For 20 to 30 minutes, I'm in the DMs. I'm either following up with conversations or I'm starting new ones. And in another 20 to 30 minutes is spent sending out check-in messages to my clients to help them get started on an amazing week. I grab lunch, I'm out the door by 8:15 a.m. to commute to work. And on that commute, I listen to some personal or professional development, a book, a podcast, a course module, things like that. During my lunch break, I might open my socials and reply to comments, as well as follow up on some conversations. When appropriate, I'm making offers to move those conversations to phone calls. By 5:30 p.m., I'm home and I'm making dinner. I take time to eat and fully decompress. From 6:30 to 7:30 p.m., I'm either taking 1 to 2 sales calls, that would be on a Monday or Tuesday, or I'm on client calls. From 7:30 to 9 p.m., the only work I might do is some professional development, like reading a book or watching some trainings. But really, I really want to just have a good amount of time to chill and just I build that into my days. By 9 p.m., I'm in bed. I'm diffusing some relaxing essential oils because I'm bougie like that, and probably listening to an abundance meditation. Now, you've heard me say that it takes me 5 minutes to post my content. And that's because on Saturday morning, I wake up early, I do my morning routine, I'm in this great mood, I get showered, and then I block off to 90 minutes to create my content for the week ahead. That includes filming short videos, writing Facebook posts, creating reels, TikToks, LinkedIn articles, YouTube shorts, things like that. If you are in our VIP mentorship programs already, then you know exactly how to repurpose your content for all platforms. And you've already got a full month of content already written for you that we're just prettying up on our weekly meetings. The rest of the weekend, I rest and reset completely. Now, you may need to adjust your schedule depending on your work hours and if you've got other things going on like kid activities. And let me tell you something, car lines are a great time to catch up on conversations or start new ones. It's also a great time to identify some potential barred audience opportunities and reach out. You can use the Notes app on your phone to jot down any ideas you've got for your content so that way your content creation block is inspired and flowy. So the schedule I outlined in somewhat excruciating detail, it takes just 2 hours or so per day. So that totals less than 12 hours per week. It also includes those 3 vital sales activities that you must do in order to grow your nutrition coaching business as well as give unlimited support to your client. So, in under 12 hours per week, you can go from side hustling health coach to full time in your business in a year or less. And we can help you do just that. Because by knowing exactly what to do every day in your business, gaining the confidence to successfully execute sales activities, and the unlimited support and accountability from our team to actually to your schedule in a year or less from now, you can be full time as a nutrition coach. Just drop Academy below and we'll reach out. We'll ask a few questions to see exactly what you need to start doing today so that you can be a full time nutrition business owner within the next year.